Hello everyone and welcome to another Adobe Premiere tutorial. Today I'll walk you through the process of adding a timer to any video using Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. After opening Adobe Premiere Pro, import your footage. We'll be utilizing the timecode effect for this tutorial. However, if you apply it directly to the video, you won't have the flexibility to edit its color or crop. To overcome this, let's create a new transparent video. Right-click, select New Item, and choose Transparent Video. It's crucial to note the time base for later use. Once the transparent video is created, drag it to the timeline and stretch it until it reaches the end of your clip. Now, head to the Effects panel, type Time in the search box, and either double-click on Timecode or drag it onto the transparent video. You'll notice the timecode is generated. Play with its parameters, adjusting opacity and size to your liking. If you wish to remove the field symbol on the right, uncheck the corresponding box. Set the time display to match the frame rate of your original video. To find this, right-click on the video, select Properties, and note the frame rate. For this video, it's 24, so I will set the time display to 24 as well. Select the timecode source to Clip to ensure it starts from 0. Fantastic! Your video now has a timer. Let's take it a step further by changing its color. Head to the Effects panel, search for Tint, and apply it to the transparent video. Experiment with the settings until you achieve your desired outcome. As a final touch, let's get rid of the hour marks, allowing only minutes and seconds to be displayed. Search for Crop in the Effects panel and add it to the video. Click on the crop effect to adjust. In this case, we'll drag from the left. There you have it. A customized timer seamlessly integrated into your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Feel free to play around with these steps and elevate your editing skills. Finally, I'll put the timer to the top right corner. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.